Hello everyone. What you're going to learn in this video has been reviewed and approved by expert mechanics at the shop, so relax, this can be fixed. When your Tesla shows the message automatic vehicle hold disabled, the first thing you might think is, oh no, did my car break? But don't worry, most of the time it's not catastrophic. The most common cause that mechanics see is a software glitch or a temporary error. Yes, your Tesla can sometimes get confused on its own, especially after a firmware update or unusual situations like stopping on a slope without fully pressing the brake. The easiest fix many mechanics recommend: go to Controls, Safety, Power Off, wait about 30 seconds, then press the brake to turn it back on. Many owners say the message disappears like magic. But be careful. This isn't always just a software trick. Some mechanics notice the message appears after putting the car in park before fully stopping. Tesla expects you to be completely stopped and the system to get the correct brake signal. If you hit park too early, vehicle hold deactivates and the warning appears. The takeaway: come to a complete stop before pressing park and your Tesla will thank you. Now, if you restart the car and press the brake correctly but the warning is still there, then there may be a physical issue. Some report problems with the brake calipers or the sensors that read brake pressure. If these sensors don't send the correct information, the car goes into a precautionary mode and disables vehicle hold. In this case, there's no home fix. You'll need to take it to Tesla service for inspection. Another detail that often goes unnoticed is that the message sometimes appears alongside other warnings like stability control disabled or traction control disabled. This indicates the problem could be with communication between modules or sensors, not just vehicle hold.